shop, working on the BX 2660. This is a smaller tractor on the farm, the subcompact. Now if you look down here, we're going to do a very useful upgrade that I've been meaning to do for years. We're going to change out these sway bar end links to a telescopic version instead of this wrench style. It'll make it much more versatile, and information in the description show you where we got these from a local guy. Alright, here's a demonstration of the current setup. So normally when I hook up a 3-point implement and I want to adjust the sway bars, I would physically have to get a wrench out, loosen the lock nut, and then adjust these turnbuckles accordingly. So you'll see when we upgrade to the telescopic version, it'll be a much quicker pin style without tools. Right, we have the old turnbuckles off, and we're going to install these adjustable ones here now. Very simple install. Simply line up the hole at the top here, extend it out, line it up down here, and then once this side's in, repeat for the other side. Right, here's the finished product installed. Simple function test. So when you're hooking up an implement, simply pull these pins and you have telescopic adjustment. Very easy and effective with no tools required. And like always, if you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.
Smash that like button.